Shares of fintech company Shift4 Payments closed out the day 5% lower after reporting third-quarter earnings this morning, which showed the company missing Wall Street's estimates. But joining us now is Jared Isaacman, founder and CEO of Shift4 Payments. Jared, it's great to have you back on the show.
Oh, thanks for having me back, Morgan. It's great.
So you did actually post a record Q3 in terms of your results, but arguably the street had a very high bar for you to hurdle. It does seem like narrowed full-year guidance and specifically volumes were what analysts focused in on. So I guess, what are you seeing right now in the payments processing space, especially across the many industries and customers that you do serve, whether it is restaurants or hotels and hospitality, airlines down the line?
Yeah. You know, just yesterday we hit our all-time highs. So I'm not surprised the stock took a little bit of a breather. But if you look at our KPIs, whether it's net revenue, volume, gross profit, or EBITDA, they all grew over 50% year over year. So honestly, I think when investors just, realize that they can annualize Q4 and realize 2025 is kind of in the bag, that we'll be back to making new all-time highs. So and with respect to your question, how's the consumer holding up? Where are we seeing spending changes? Restaurants certainly softened a little bit. You had some same-store sales Q3, but we've started to see a little bit of a rebound in October. Hotels are back up to growing same-store sales. Sports and entertainment is doing awesome. E-com's doing really well. So I think just people are not, in a rush to go out for the $100 steak dinner as much as they used to be.
And we've talked about that before. So something else that you did in the last couple of weeks is you launched this new pay with crypto offering. And that enables merchants to accept cryptocurrency for both e-commerce and also POS systems. At a time where we are seeing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies rally aggressively right now, what do you anticipate in terms of uptake and actually seeing a utilitarian use for some of these cryptocurrencies?
Yeah, it's a good question. I mean, this was never a major bet for us, but we've had a small crypto innovation center for the last couple of years, and we've got a very big global e-commerce customer that I think you know well, Morgan, that's moving into all these new countries, and in those countries, Visa and MasterCard are not necessarily your primary forms of payment. So I think the idea is we always want to invite more payment traffic on our rails, and it's honestly a responsible thing to do when you process for as much of the restaurants, the hotels, the stadiums. There's so many different types of customers we touch at this point. Offering up a variety of different payment methods is important. And in new geographies where, again, Visa and MasterCard just doesn't have the same presence. So we announced Tao Group is one of our first beta customers. Blade is going to be another one of the betas. But I think largely it'll be incremental volume on top of the transactions that we're already taking.
Jared, to ask about international a little bit more, there have been expectations that you would have been up and running in more of those international hotels and restaurants. You say now that's in place. And I'm wondering, what are the conditions that matter most on the macro side for you to really continue to see demand in those international markets where you've now got that infrastructure set up?
It's a good question. I mean, as I mentioned, we grew payment volume well north of 50% year over year. So I'd say we are largely not, our results are not necessarily driven by same-store sales growth. I mean, look, 1%, 2% here and there, same-store sales has an impact. But largely, when we think about going into Europe, we're talking about taking the same kind of 1/3 share of the restaurant and hotel market that we have here in the U.S. So, we've teed ourselves up really through various organic and inorganic investment to, really drive large-scale adoption of our restaurant, hotel, and stadium products across Europe and even in other markets. We mentioned this quarter we'll be going into Australia, New Zealand, and Latin America as well in 2025.